Welcome students from the topic aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. We are studying the part aldehydes and ketones, and in previous lecture we studied three chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones with nucleophile. First, addition of hydrogen cyanide, second, addition of sodium bisulfite, and third, addition of alcohols. Now, aldehydes reacts with alcohol to form a hemiacetal, which is unstable, which reacts with one more molecule of alcohol to form a stable acetal. Now here, similar to aldehydes, ketones also react with alcohols in presence of to form a hemiacetal and hemiketal and ketal. That is here, if we take this reaction again, then example of ketone is here in place of H. If we take CH3, the name is acetone, and final product is corresponding this stable semi that is ketal. Now see here, these aldehydes or ketones also react with dihydric alcohols to form corresponding cyclic ketals. For example, if we take suppose acetone, then it reacts with this dihydric alcohol CH2OH, CH2OH. Its common name is ethylene glycol and IUPAC name is ethane 1,2-diol. Because there are two carbon atoms, means what, parent alkene is ethane. Now suffix diol is added as there are two OH groups and position 1 and 2. So ethane 1,2-diol is IUPAC name of this ethylene glycol. Now see how this reaction takes place. H2 molecule is eliminated and a cyclic ketal is formed. So see here, 2H and 1O eliminates as a water molecule, and this 1O and 1O remaining form bond with this carbon. So see here, this is a 5-membered or 6-membered, here it is 5-membered cyclic ketal is formed. So this is about addition of alcohol. Now next is addition of Grignard reagent. Now this reaction we studied in the preparation of alcohols. Aldehydes and ketones reacts with the Grignard reagent in the presence of dry ether to form a adduct or addition product, which on acid hydrolysis gives corresponding alcohol. Now here, formaldehyde with Grignard reagent gives primary alcohols. Aldehydes other than formaldehyde gives secondary alcohols, and ketones gives tertiary alcohols. Here I have given only example of aldehyde, that is other than formaldehyde, acetaldehyde. Now see here, formula of acetaldehyde is CH3CHO, and this is example of Grignard reagent RMGX. Here CH3MgBr. Its name is methyl magnesium bromide. Now acetaldehyde reacts with methyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether to give this addition product. Now you know how this reaction takes place. There is a double bond between carbon and oxygen. So this double bond breaks, and then CH3 get added on this carbon, and this Mg get added on this oxygen, and this addition product is formed CH3-2-CHO-MgBr. See once again here, what is the structure of this compound? CH3-2-CHO-MgBr means what? There are two methyl groups attached to this carbon atom. So CH3C, here CH3, then HOMgBr. And this on acid hydrolysis. So what is hydrolysis? Addition of water in presence of acid or alkali. Now here CH3-2-CHOMgBr plus H2O. Now again bond between here breaks. Bond between O and Mg breaks, and H get added on oxygen and OH get added to magnesium. So what is the product? CH3-2-CHOH, and what is your MgBr and OH. So this is what is your CH3-2-CHOH means this carbon is a secondary. So its name is what is your isopropyl alcohol. This is the common name of this compound, which is secondary alcohol. Now if we take formaldehyde, now what is difference here? The formula of formaldehyde is HCHO. In place of CH there is a H. So if there is H, then here there is only one CH3 and 2H. So here one CH3 and 2H means what is the product here? CH3 CH2OH. So it is a ethyl alcohol or ethanol, which is a primary alcohol. And if we take ketone, now ketone means in place of this there is one more CH3 group or any other alkyl group. If there is CH3, then CH3COCH3 means what it is? Example of ketone, dimethyl ketone or acetone or propanol. Now in place of this H there is CH3. So in place of H there is CH3, and here also in place of this H there is CH3. Now CH3 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 CHOH. So now this is a tertiary butyl alcohol. So in short, formaldehyde when treated with Grignard reagent gives addition product, which on acid lysis gives primary alcohol. Second aldehydes other than formaldehyde gives secondary alcohols, and ketones gives tertiary alcohols when treated with Grignard reagent. So this is about addition of Grignard reagent. या ठिकाणी बघा क्वेश्चन कसे विचारतील, जर केमिकल प्रॉब्लेम विचारला तर कसं विचारणार, व्हॉट इज द ऍक्शन ऑफ मिथिल मॅग्नेशियम ब्रोमाइड ऑन, इथं फॉर्म्युलेट विचारलं तर HCHO द्यायचं, इथं CH3CH2 म्हणजे इथेनॉल मिळेल. व्हॉट इज द ऍक्शन ऑफ मिथिल मॅग्नेशियम ब्रोमाइड ऑन ऍस्टेटाइड म्हटलं तर ही रिॲक्शन होणार आणि फायनल प्रोडक्ट कुठला मिळणार, आयसोप्रोपिल अल्कोहोल जे सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल आहे. आणि व्हॉट इज द ऍक्शन ऑफ मिथिल मॅग्नेशियम ब्रोमाइड ऑन ऍसिटोन डायमिथिल कीटोन किंवा प्रोपेनॉल असं विचारलं तर काय येणार, तर CH3C CH3 येणार, म्हणजे याच्याऐवजी CH3 येणार. त्यामुळे फायनल प्रोडक्ट राहील याच्याऐवजी CH म्हणजे एकूण 3 CH3C होणार, म्हणजे काय होईल तो C4H9OH म्हणजेच टर्शियरी ब्युटिल अल्कोहोल होईल. So this is about the addition of Grignard reagent. Now next stage is nucleophilic addition elimination reaction of aldehydes and ketones with ammonia derivatives. Now aldehydes and ketones reacts with ammonia derivatives of NH2Z type to form amines known as a Skips base. Now here derivative of ammonia means you know molecular formula of ammonia is NH3. So if one amino atom in ammonia is replaced by other atom or group, then that are known as a derivative of ammonia. So here in general in place of that H there is Z. Okay. Now see the name of the reaction is nucleophilic addition elimination of aldehydes and ketones with ammonia derivatives. Means what? There are both addition and elimination. So see how this reaction takes place. This is in general, that is this is a carbonyl group, which is a common functional group in both aldehydes and ketones, and this is a derivative of ammonia. That is one hydrogen atom in ammonia is replaced by Z. So NH2Z means it is a derivative of ammonia. Now first addition reaction takes place. That is this double bond breaks and H get added on O and remaining NH get added on carbon. So here CO becomes COH and this is carbon is bonded to NZH means what? N here. This is the addition product. So what is addition reaction? The reaction in which two reactants react to form only one product are known as addition reactions. So here these two reactants react to form only one product. So this is the addition product. And then a water molecule is eliminated like this. This H and this OH, these two bond breaks. And to maintain tetravalence of carbon and trivalence of nitrogen, here there is a the formation double bond takes place. So here water molecule is eliminated. Therefore, this reaction is known as elimination reaction. So what is elimination reaction? The reaction in which two atoms or groups from adjacent carbon atoms are eliminated without replacement by any other atom or group are known as elimination reaction. So here both H and OH are eliminated without replacement by any atom or group. Therefore, this reaction is elimination reaction, and this is the product C double bond ENZ, and this is known as imine or skip base. Means what? In this total reaction, there is first addition and then elimination, and hence this reaction is known as a addition elimination reaction. Now there are some examples. I have taken this table as it is from textbook, and here in all 5 reactions are given, but here In general, representation of aldehyde or ketone is taken. See here, RCOR dash. Okay. Now here, if here H, here H, it is formaldehyde, which is the first member of aldehyde series. If here R and here H, then they are other aldehydes. And R means it may be CH3, CH5 or C37 and so on. And if there are both R groups, CH3, CH3 or CH3, CH5, then they are ketones. So depending on whether there are 2H, 1R, 1H or both alkyl groups are, it is formaldehyde, other aldehydes or ketones. Now see one by one these reactions. So first action of hydroxylamine. So this is the hydroxy derivative of ammonia. This compound is obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom in ammonia by OH. So NH3 becomes NH2OH and it is known as a hydroxylamine. In all these 5 reactions, there is same mode of addition and elimination. This H2 and this O forms H2 and remaining is a product. That is, as we see before this in previous slide, first addition takes place and then elimination takes place. So what is the product here? See here, R, C, R dash, double bond N and OH and plus this H2. So you write plus H2 here or here below arrow minus H2, meaning is C. Now second, hydrogen. So in this compound, hydrogen atom in ammonia is replaced by primary amino group. So NH2 is known as a hydrogen. So what is the product here? This H2, this O forms H2. So what is the remaining? R, C, R dash, double bond, this N, single bond, NH2 here. R, C, R dash, double bond, N, single bond, NH2. Now this is a phenyl hydrogen. Means what? One hydrogen atom in this NH2 group is again replaced by phenyl group C6H5 and its name is a phenyl hydrogen. So see what is the formula? NH2, then NH, and in place of this H there is C6H5. So it is a phenyl derivative of hydrogen and therefore its name is a phenyl hydrogen. So product is again what here? This H2, this O forms H2. So product is R, C, R dash. Now here double bond, this N, single bond NH and single bond CH. So it is known as a phenyl hydrazone. See here, hydrazine. Similarly, phenyl hydrazine. Now this is a semi-carbazide. Means what? Hydrogen atom in hydrazine is replaced by amide group. This is amide group CONH2. So product is a semi-carbazone. Similar to above 3 reactions, this H2 and this O eliminated as water molecule and this product is formed, which is known as a semi-carbazone. And the fifth reaction is again 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrogen. That is, this hydrogen atom in hydrogen is replaced by what is here? 2 4s. This is 2, this is 4. Dinitrophenyl. This group is what here? 2,4-dinitrophenyl and this is derivative of hydrogen. Hence its name is 2,4-dinitrohydrogen. So product is a hydrazone. ZINE becomes ZONE. So only difference is what here? This N forms bond with this carbon, this O and this H2 forms byproduct H2. तर ह्या 5 रिॲक्शन्स आहेत की ज्याच्यामध्ये अल्डेहाइडची किंवा केटोनची रिॲक्शन ही अमोनियाच्या डेरिव्हेटिव्हवरती होती. हा चार्ट दिलेला आहे आणि बऱ्याच ठिकाणी पुस्तकात ह्या अशा जनरल रिॲक्शन दिलेले आहेत. त्यामुळं हा परीक्षेमध्ये विचारताना ह्याचा प्रॉब्लेम कसा आहे बघा. हे विचारताना क्वेश्चन कसे विचारतील हे सगळे बघा. व्हॉट इज द ॲक्शन ऑफ, इथं काय म्हणतील, ह्याचं नाव आहे हायड्रॉक्सिलामाइन. व्हॉट इज द ॲक्शन ऑफ हायड्रॅजिन, व्हॉट इज द ॲक्शन ऑफ फिनिल हायड्रॅजिन, व्हॉट इज द ॲक्शन ऑफ सेमी-कार्बाझाइड अँड व्हॉट इज द ॲक्शन ऑफ 2,4-डायनायट्रोफिनिल हायड्रोजन. आणि इथं बघा एक तर काय होईल, फॉर्मल्डेहाइड 2 H असतील. जर ॲस्टल्डेहाइड विचारलं तर इथं CH3 असणार, इथे H असणार. आणि ॲस्टोन विचारलं केटोनचं एक्झाम्पल तर इथं बी CH3 असणार, इथं बी CH असणार आहे. म्हणजे हे सगळीकडे कॉमन आहे बघा. आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये सगळ्यामध्ये NH2 इकडे आहे. फक्त जे पुढला तिसऱ्या H आहे त्याच्याऐवजी इथं OH आहे, इथं NH2 आहे, इथं NH6H5 आहे, इथे NH3OH आहे आणि इथं काय आहे NH C6H5NO2 आहे. म्हणजे तुम्ही फक्त यांची नावं लक्षात ठेवली, हायड्रोजन अमाईनचा फॉर्म्युला काय, हायड्रोजनचा काय, फिनल हायड्रोजनचा काय, सेमी कार्बायडचा काय आणि 2,4-diamine हायड्रोजनचा काय, तर तुम्हाला हे प्रोडक्ट लिहिता येतील. आणि हा सुद्धा काय अवघड नाही बघा. एका याच्यावरची काय आहे सांगा, हायड्रोजन अमाईनमध्ये OH आहे, इथं हायड्रोजनमध्ये NH2 आहे, इथं C6H5NH आहे फिनल हायड्रोजनमध्ये, इथं काय आहे अमाइड ग्रुप आहे CONH2 आणि इथं काय आहे 2,4-diनिट्रो फिनल ग्रुप आहे NH. तर ह्या 5 काय झाल्या की रिॲक्शन विथ अमोनिया डेरिव्हेटिव्ज. नाऊ नेक्स्ट बघा, दिस इज हॅलोफॉर्म रिॲक्शन. ॲसिटल्डिहाइड, मिथिल केटोन अँड alcohols of CH3COH type when warmed with iodine and sodium hydroxide gives yellow colored precipitate of iodoform. This reaction is known as a haloform reaction. तर काय होतं बघा, ॲसिटल्डिहाइड मधला अल्डिहाइड मधला ॲसिटल्डिहाइड, केटोन्स मधले असे केटोन ज्याच्यामध्ये RCOR केटोनचं रिपिटेशन आहे, त्या दोन पैकी एक तर काय पाहिजे मिथिल ग्रुप पाहिजे, दुसरा कोणताही चालेल, किंवा CH3COH ग्रुप असलेले अल्कोहोल. तर हे जर आयोडीन आणि सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साईडवरती हीट केले, वॉर्म केले, तर येलो कलरचा प्रेसिपिटेट मिळतो आयोडोफॉर्मचा, आणि ह्या रिॲक्शनला म्हणतात हॅलोफॉर्म रिॲक्शन. कारण आयोडोफॉर्मचा फॉर्म्युला काय आहे CHI3. सो इट इज ए ट्राय आयोडो डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ मिथेन. Therefore its IUPAC name is triiodomethane, and trihalogen derivative of methane are known as haloforms. Therefore CHI3, the common name is what is your iodoform. Similarly CHCl3 means chloroform, trichloromethane. Now see the reaction here. Here the example is taken as acetone, CH3COCH3. So there must be one CH3 group. If it is aldehyde, then it should be CH3CHO. And if it is ketone, then at least one R group must be of CH3. Here it may be CH3 or any other alkyl group. Now when this acetone is warmed with here NaOH and I2, sodium hydroxide and iodine, then by reaction between these two, sodium hypoiodide is formed. Here I2 plus twice NaOH, NaI plus NaOI plus H2. So NaI is sodium iodide and NaOI is sodium hypoiodide. So here this is a reactant. Now CH3COCH3, which is a formula of acetone, plus 3 NaOI, 3 moles of sodium hypoiodide, when warmed. Now see how this reaction takes place. This bond breaks here. Okay. So what is the product now here? CH3CO. Now this one O and this Na, so forms this sodium salt of acid containing one carbon atom less than number of carbon atoms in reactant. So here reactant is acetone, in O there are 3 carbon atoms, and here sodium salt of acid containing 2 carbon atoms is formed. So this is a sodium salt of acetic acid, hence its name is sodium acetate. CH3COOH is acetic acid, and CH3COH plus NaOH, CH3CONA. This is a sodium salt of acetic acid. Its name is sodium acetate. Now see what is remaining here. Here 2H are replaced by this here 3. Okay, here CHI3. 2H. Now bond breaks here. So this one bond remaining bond and 2H are replaced by 2H. So these 2H and this one bond, 3 bond of this carbon are satisfied by this 3I and 1H. So this is known as iodoform or triiodomethane. Now what is remaining here? 3 NaOH means 1 Na 1 O here. This is ONA. Now 2 NaO and 2 replaced H forms byproduct 2 NaOH. So this reaction is known as a haloform reaction. So this is a test for methyl ketones or acetaldehyde. तर याच्यामध्ये काय होतं बघा, ॲसिटल्डिहाइड किंवा केटोन मिथिल केटोन्स म्हणजे 2 R पैकी एक ग्रुप कोणता पाहिजे, मिथिल ग्रुप पाहिजे, किंवा अल्कोहोल सुद्धा पण त्याच्यामध्ये हा ग्रुप पाहिजे बघा CH3COH असा ग्रुप असलेला. हे जर आयोडीन आणि NaOH वरती वॉर्म केले तर येलो कलरचा पिवळ्या कलरचा प्रेसिपिटेट मिळतो आणि तो प्रेसिपिटेट कशाचा असतो आयोडोफॉर्मचा. हा प्रेसिपिटेट जर तयार झाला तर दिलेल्या रिॲक्टरमध्ये ह्या तिन्हीपैकी आहे ते लक्षात येतं. तर रिॲक्शन कशी होते, हा फॉर्म्युला आहे ॲसेटोनचा CH3COCH3 प्लस 3NaOH, याला म्हणायचं सोडियम हायपॉइडाईड. आणि कसं तयार होतं, सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साईड आणि आयोडीनच्या रिॲक्शननं. आणि हे वॉर्म केले की हे 3 प्रोडक्ट तयार होतात. कसं तुम्हाला सांगितलं बघा, हा बॉन्ड इथं ब्रेक होतो आणि CH3CO आणि ह्यातला ONA 3 पैकी 1 असं काय झालं, हे CH3CONA हे सोडियम ॲस्टेट हा ॲस्टेटचा सॉल्ट तयार झाला. आता बघा काय राहतं, हे 3 आय आणि इथले 2 H निघून जातात. त्या 2 H ठिकाणी 2 आय आणि हा एक बॉन्ड कमी झाला ब्रेक झाल्यामुळे अशी कुणी 3 आय ऍड होणार. म्हणजे काय म्हणाले, C हे 3 आय आणि राहिलेली एक H म्हणजे CHI3, ह्याला म्हणायचं ट्राय आयोडोमिथेन. त्याचं नाव आहे आयोडोफॉर्म. हा येलो कलरचा सॉलिड आहे. आणि राहतं काय तर बघा, 3 NaOH पैकी आय 3 गेले, 1 NaO इथं गेला, राहिले काय 2 NaO आणि 2 H काय फॉर्म होते, बेरिश फॉर्म होतं. तर ह्याला म्हणायचं हॅलोफॉर्म रिॲक्शन. तर मी तुम्हाला बऱ्याच वेळा सांगितले की केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीमध्ये जवळजवळ एकाच टाईपचे क्वेश्चन असतात. कसं विचारतील, व्हॉट इज द ॲक्शन ऑफ, आता डायरेक्ट सोडियम हायपॉइडाईड म्हणणार नाहीत, काय म्हणतील, व्हॉट इज द ॲक्शन ऑफ आयोडीन, इथे ॲरोवरती लिहिले बघा, अँड सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साईड ऑन इथे एस्टेल्डिहाइड असेल किंवा ॲस्टोन असेल किंवा ॲग्रो असलेला अल्कोहोल असेल, तर हे प्रोडक्ट लिहायचे. तर ही झाली हॅलोफॉर्म रिॲक्शन. तर आज आपण बघा या 2 मेन रिॲक्शन भेटलेली कोणते बघा. याच्यामध्ये हे एक ॲडिशन ऑफ जनरल एजंट ही झालेली आहे. याच्यामध्ये प्रायमरी सेकंडरी टर्शियरी अल्कोहोल मिळतात. जर आपण फॉर्मलडिहाइड घेतलं, ॲक्झाइड घेतलं म्हणजे अल्डेहाइड्स अल्डेहाइड्स घेतले आणि केटोन्स घेतले रिस्पेक्टिव्हली. तर ह्याच्यामध्ये 5 रिॲक्शन्स आहेत की ज्यामध्ये ॲडिशन एडिशन दोन्ही होतं. आणि या 5 रिॲक्शनमध्ये रिॲक्टंट कोणता आहे, अमोनिया डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे. म्हणजे अमोनियामधला एक H हा दुसऱ्या ॲटॉमिक ग्रुपनं रिप्लेस केलेला आहे. एकदा OH आहे, एकदा NH2 आहे, एकदा NH6 आहे, एकदा NHCONH2 आहे आणि एकदा काय आहे मग 2,4,6,2,4-डायनायट्रो फिनिल हायड्रोजन आहे. तर त्या 5 रिॲक्शन्स आहेत. या बघा, ह्या 5 रिॲक्शन्स ह्या IH मध्ये दिले आहेत, पण असे विचारणार नाहीत. विचारताना काय करतील, या ठिकाणी पर्टिक्युलर कोणतं एकतर ॲस्टेरॉइड म्हणतील किंवा ॲस्टोन म्हणतील, रिॲक्शन्स विचारतील. तर ठीक आहे, आपण या ठिकाणी थांबूया. धन्यवाद.